Hello traders, hello Just5Team followers. Wish you had a good day. I want to start the roadmap from this scene just to give you a motivation. So if you have a plan and if you be patient, you could reach your target just a step by step.
Okay guys, let's back to the chart and do not be involved of those fancy numbers. I just want to tell you again, those numbers, those money things is not important. Just believe me, believe in my way. Just believe me, it's not important. Those pips are so important. Those setups, those way of trading, those ability, those plans are so important. Just try to have a good plan, and after that those money things will comes. Okay, at the H4 guys, let's go at the daily, it's better. If you remember guys, at the vision of the day, I've told you guys this is a base that we had, and at the vision of the day price was around here. I've told you if price could close around this area, this daily one, it could be going down. As you see, and no, I know market is so crazy lately because of many things, many Brexit, election, anything. But it's the market. We should accept it. We should accept it. You should not to fight with the market. You should accept it and try to understand it and try to have a knowledge and learn from those movements to in a future trade, future days you could have a better day, better trades. So if prices come to this area is very important guys. It's very important for a GJ. If it goes above that, it could be go to this area, and then in this area, I don't know, maybe further up. And if it back down, this area could be the target. Okay, let's go to the H4. At the 4 hour guys, we had this space area, and like this area, and it just came down. I've told at the vision of the day it could be close below that, it could be going down, but as you see, just rejected. And if you just could sometimes I will give you some tips, you know, in the comments. I've told you be careful of the decision point. This area was decision point that happened before, so it happened again around that area, and it just went down and then it just back up immediately, okay, and break many zones in this up movement. And at the H1 guys, as you see, prices coming down. It just went through this area and it back up. You know, these candles are so important. Just if you just go to and search about this candle in chart, you will find out these candles that will coming down and then will back up and close above that previous candle. These are like a 100% sign that it wanna going up, you know, because it just took many liquidities here, many stop loss had filled around here and got stop losses, and then it went up after that. So be careful of these type of candles. And around here it just made a base. You know guys, just look at here. It just made like a base, breakout, candle, FTB, and a bullish candle. It went up. If you're just trading on the higher time frame, you should took this setup because it was so easy, so clear. At the M15, the trading time frame, in this area is when I start start trading every day. It just came down, as you see guys, you know, it just came down. This area was a good area to sell because you have enough space to reach the next zone, and it was FTB to FTR, so it was a good area for sell. But around here it just came and this candle kinda closed below of this number that it came from higher time frame. I've told many times before, when you have a zone, an area, and a line, a price that it comes from higher time frame, you should have more confirmation, more confidence to go and do like a pull back things. And as you see, just came down, and immediately after that the candle is back to the area, back to this big base. Okay, so it went up. Yes, you could go for a buy around here, but it was so risky. And after that, this area is FDR, and we have a rules at the FDR that is call it broken FDR. Just imagine it's FDR. If price comes up and it break the zone, an FDR zone with momentum, it's so important, and close above that, you could go for FTB and up. As you see, it just happened, and I've took like a 10 pips, and I was so happy about that. And I've closed my position around here because of exactly this zone. You know, it just came to around here and it went down. Why? Because this FTR zone, the wick, top of the wick of FTR zone is very important. It's a rejection and decision point, and it went down. So could we go in for any buy around here? No, it's not clear for now because it's just doing sideways and base thing. And the rule says for a base ping pong, you should at least have 30 pips to go for a sell or buy in the ping pong market. And after that, what happened? Price came up and candle closed above the base. Okay, and candle closed above the base. What happened after that? A bearish candle that show me they're gonna to create like a demand in area. This area, it's a demand, guys. When this happen, it's a demand in that area. As you know, a bearish candle will be like a demand. This candle will be the entry, and after that you could enter the market. It's easy and enough pips to cover. And after that, it just came down, just do a sideways market, sideways. So there is no an area to trade it. So this area like a base happened around here. So you should wait for a breakout or something happen. As you see, guys, it's just a dirty market. So for this type of market, you could go higher time frame to have more confirmation. As you see, guys, it just went up with momentum, FDR candle, and then another candle. What we call it? We call it tiny FDR. So could we enter the market? Yes. Around here, this area, this price that it comes from lower time frame was an area you could go for a buy. Okay, and after that, what happened? It just break out and went up. Many of you maybe ask me, could we go for a buy around here? We should go lower time frame and see. Do you have any confirmation here or any sign to go for a buy? You know, we took this tiny after in higher time frame. In here, in that area, if we have an FTB pullback, we could go. We do not have all of these trades in around here was so risky, guys, so risky. And this trades, it's not for all of the traders. Just do what you know, that's it. And in here we could go for a buy another two because it's a tiny FDR, but again it's a risky trade. So that's it, guys. I know it was a hard day. We have unexpected movement in the market, but we should be okay with it because in coming months, in next 2-3 months, we will have this market, guys. So have a good day. Review all of your trades, have a journal, and good luck.